how to turn on or turn off faster voice typing on Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard and click on scroll down and click on voice typing. After click on voice typing, you will see faster voice typing is here. If you want to turn on faster voice typing, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see faster voice typing is turn on. If you want to turn off faster voice typing, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see faster voice typing is turn off. You will turn on or turn off faster voice typing from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off faster voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.